What's up, guys? Welcome to the Notorious channel. I am Ryan Mills, and a lot of y'all probably know me, a lot of y'all probably don't. The ones that do know me are probably like, what the heck is this dude doing here? Well, I have teamed up with Ryan Quinones. He's another Ryan. He is one of the co-founders of the Notorious team. If you've met me before and you've known me for a long time, I've been in the car scene for a long time and then got out. Was really big into the JDM world and drifting, and I just got out of it, but I've recently just got back into it. I am absolutely in love with it. The first video that you just saw is from Midpond. It was a chill day, so I figured why not just go up there. I've never filmed drifting, so just go try a few things out, and it worked out. It's pretty good. What you're gonna see next is the guys working on the drift car for the Notorious team, and they're gonna explain what's going on with it and the build and stuff. It's really, really cool. Y'all just bear with us for a little bit. We got to get a little organized with these videos and to where they'll flow a little bit. Things are a little out of whack right now, but we're gonna get it straightened out. I'm not too sure on the schedule of things. Right now it could be once or twice a week or once every 2 weeks, something like that. Definitely plan on hitting a lot of events at Midpond and going back down to Five Flags. I haven't been to Five Flags in probably 10 years, so I can't wait to see a lot of old faces, a lot of buddies I haven't seen in years. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Leave a comment down below what you would like to see and what you would like to see with the drift car. And if you want us to go somewhere and film something, let us know. We could show up, pop up, film your local drift event. Who knows? Let's get it.
So we are finishing up the FDF angle kit on Justin's JZX90. He went to go pick up a couple of bolts for us real quick, but we've got most of it done already, like halfway bolted up. We're swapping over from the stock suspension to this. It changed it over to 350Z hubs, and we'll be running the Brembos on it as well. We plan on getting this car up and ready, and we're gonna have my friend Santi drive the car in clutch kickers at the last couple events of this year. We wanted to do the whole season, but we just couldn't get the car up in time. We're finishing up the suspension, and then we're actually going to move it over to Wayne's house.
Don't mind me.
So we're finishing up the suspension today to try and get it back on its own wheels, and so we can move it. And then we'll be finishing up the motor stuff on it as well. We've got a set of coilovers for it already, but we're probably going to take those and send those off to get those redone, because I think the fronts are blown in it. We have a wrap that we're doing for it as well, for the Notorious brand. We've got the ECU master set up for it as well. We're going with a Turbonetics 6468 on it, and a single turbo setup, obviously. Probably run around like 30 pounds of boost or so in it with E85. Looking for like the 650-ish horsepower or so. So it'll be a pretty nasty car. Yeah. It'll definitely be like at least a competitive for like grassroots stuff. So right. I'm definitely excited for it. We just got to finish this up. This will give us some serious angle. Santi's coming over next weekend to come check out the car and come help us out with it as well once we get it over to Wayne's house. Hopefully we can get some of this motor stuff done so we can get some motor work and maybe drop at least the bottom end back in it, and then we're sending the head off to get redone, and then we'll assemble the head with new cams. We went with 272s, BCs, titanium valve springs, and retainers, ARP head studs in it. We're leaving the stock bottom end in it because it's forged from the factory, so hopefully that'll hold up. We're gonna put new What seal? What were we gonna do? Oh, the main seals or main bearings and rod bearings. Yeah, rod bearings. So we'll be changing those out as well. They're probably just old. We've got all of this set up. We've got a hydro setup for it as well. So we're setting it up to be a fairly competitive car for grassroots. I'm excited.
Yeah.
But yeah, pretty much a little bit at a standstill right now. We got most of this bolted up already. We're missing a couple of bolts that go from the control arm to these trailing arms, and then we've got the hubs already for it as well. But we're missing the bolts that actually go into the back of these. They just come in through the back. We got to go to Lowe's or somewhere and go get some bolts that'll match up to these. Make sure those are good, and then there we go. Yeah, that's the correct way. Make sure these are good, and then throw the Brembo brakes on it, and it'll be set for the fronts. I'm excited.
Sweet.
We picked out the Brembo setups for these, so these are the brakes that are going to be going on those. They're just like 350Z style Brembo brakes that come stock on the Tourings. So that's what's going on there, and then way bigger. You can even see quite a big difference in between.
Really? Look at this.
What? Oh.
There's the bag.
The
bag of bolts we've been looking for.
Yeah. Call this one. You can see the difference in between the stocks, and there's a pretty big difference in between the stocks and the 350Z ones. So we'll have a lot more stopping power in those.
Tell us a little bit about what we got going on here.
This is my R32. I've had it since 2021 is when I picked it up. It's been in a couple of different stages. We had it down for about a year and a half when I was pulling out all the Hikus crap in it, and man, it just feels like a totally different car now. I've been through like 3 or 4 different sets of wheels, and I'm pretty dead set on like keeping. So I've got work rivers on it now, with some weds on the front that are like 9.5s, and they fit great on it. It's got an RB25 turbo on it now, but the seals are blown in it, so it's blowing a little bit of oil out the back right now. I have a GT35 that I'm going to put on it with a top mount, and that'll be the setup that I run for sliding it. I'm excited to do that. That'll probably be sometime this summer after we get the JZX done.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly. It's got an angle kit on it now.
What kind of angle kit?
GK Tech.
Yep.
Yeah, the GK Tech angle kit. We had a shitload of problems like fabbing it up and making it fit. I'm probably gonna swap over to a S13 subframe in the front and swap over to like full S13 suspension.
Okay.
So that'll make it a lot easier. Put the other angle kit on it because I've just been having a lot of problems with it. It's nice now, but I'm only getting like 60-ish degrees. It's not much over stock because it's like maybe another like 10 or 15 degrees over stock. But honestly, it feels great right now though. I've been taking it out to like at night and going and sliding it sometimes, and it just feels awesome. A lot easier than what it was when it had Hikus in it. I'll say that. Dude, it was so bad. It was so bad. Just all the snap oversteer in it just made it like impossible just to like keep it. Anytime I would transition, it would be in that. It would like I would be in a slide, and then like I'd go to transition into like a bit like smaller turns. It was fine, but anytime I would go to like full lock, it would just snap and just spin every time. Almost every single time it was doing.
Now, being at Midpond, do you think that if you were using the car just as like a track car, do you think it would have been beneficial?
As a track car, yeah, it would have been great as just a track car. It definitely handled very like it stuck to the road a lot more. Now it gets like a lot easier going sideways, but it used to stick to the road a lot more having Hikus.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to make it as a road like a road course car.
Yeah.
I wanted to be a drift car because I have my Sylvia as my like play car,
right?
You know? Almost like a show car, pretty much. It wasn't a Bisu car, but the guy before me, he put bags on it, so it's just on like some big.
So a lot of work done to that car.
Oh yeah, a ton of work done to that car. But this one's been fun though. I've got side skirts and a front bumper going on it. I've got to weld up the crash bars for the front and the rear that I've got on it. Do those setups, and then honestly I'll be pretty good to go. Oh yeah, and the hydro, we got to put the hydro in.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much all that's left in this car. I'm just gonna leave it as is and just slide it with that, and it's just been my daily driver most of the time. So
sweet, dude.
Yeah. You like that much focus angle? just gonna get like a nuts amount of angle.
It's a lot of angle.
Yeah.
Found you another 240?
No. They're all made of gold right now, I guess. So.
Yeah. They're insane.
So I assume y'all just got the coilover installed. Do you know which hole that it goes in?
No.
Just kind of a guessing game, or?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Probably around that.
I don't even know how we're gonna do this.
Do it at give it the most angle, because that'll.
You got a jack?
Yeah, we're gonna
Just
need
jack
one.
it up.
Do you have to extend your coilover on your side? You have to shorten it up?
No, I didn't do shit.
Fuck. That doesn't make
Boom.
it so good.
There we go.
How much shorter is that side, I wonder?
Cool. Yeah.
There we go.
Cool. We can just measure. We can fix it though,
Alright.
because you can turn the whole coilover.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Extra bolts.
You figuring it out there, Chief?
Oh.
Hell no, man.
Maybe?
Maybe.
There's fucking 6.
Oh, those two definitely go there.
Is it for the other style of.
This thing's so
mounting?
fucking retarded.
I tried to hit it, and it tried to hit me.
Here, I got it. I can do it.
Let me pick it. Want me to go up?
Yeah, go up just a tad.
What the hell am I looking at? Swing, right?
I think he's just picking up the car at this point.
Raise the
Tell me about it.
Tell you about it?
Yeah, tell me about this.
Golly. Took a perfectly good running car.
Yeah. we
To this.
we drove down to almost it was somewhere around like Perry, Georgia, and it was a old Air Force guy, wasn't it?
Marine.
Marine, yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, Okinawa. It was in a Bisu car, and for an Ibisu car, it was in actually pretty good condition. We went and drove it around. It had an ORC twin disc, which we just found out, which was
Cooked.
is cooked, dude. Just heat, just like so many, like you can just see like all over, like each one of both the discs are just like heat spotted like crazy all over. It's bad. It's bad. So we're gonna have to replace that too. That was an unexpected thing. So, but yeah, we picked it up about 6 months after I got my Skyline, and drove it all the way back. Ran fine, honestly. It needed valve stem seals. We knew that when we got it.
Every Japanese car.
Yeah, every Japanese car needs that. It needed valve stem seals bad. It wouldn't smoke like while you were driving, but anytime it was like idling, it would smoke pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just got progressively worse and worse.
I think I got quoted like $2,000 to change it out. I was like, hey, might as well just do everything else.
Might as well just build it.
So a $2,000 job turned into like
$10,000.
$10,000
For the
parts and
Yeah.
not even the labor yet. Free labor, I guess.
That sounds exactly like my build. I just needed to do turbo seals, but no, I decided to rip the whole fucking motor out.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing here. Wanted to do a drift car, have some fun with it, have the boys. Kind of very, not very stingy with the car, so I'll let anyone drive it if they want to. That's pretty much, yeah. If you want to drive it, but I really don't. I offer it out to anybody that wants to drive it.
Yeah. I have some video of it running, and like doing like a couple pulls, like when we were hanging out at my old spot near Rucker Boulevard. It ran great, honestly. It definitely had some like it had like a handful of bolt-ons on it. Had what was the intercooler? It's sitting around here somewhere, isn't it? Or no, it's over. Yeah, it was Blitz. Yeah,
intercooler.
yeah. It was a nice Blitz intercooler, rated for like 800 or so. So it was like way overdone. That and then the ORC twin disc. It's got a welded diff in it right now. I was actually just looking online. I saw one on Marketplace, a Kaz two-way for this.
For like what?
like 1,000. Yeah, it was actually pretty cheap. But we'll probably just keep it welded different now. Probably pick up another diff for like events and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know, if we end up blowing one or something. But it's in pretty solid. It's got a one-piece drive shaft in it. They did do that. It had coilovers on it. It had those like cheap, what was it, like JIC Magics or whatever, Black Magic ones.
They're Japanese coilovers, but they blew out. So I bought some used teens, and they also blew out. So we have to go get some PCs.
Yeah.
So or get the teens rebuilt.
Yeah.
So
We'll probably end up putting a nice set of coilovers on here and make it good. But yeah, honestly, it was super fun car to drive. We brought it to an event. He and I did back in, what was that, 22? Oh yeah, it was right after our car show.
yeah.
We went to an event at Midpond and we took both the cars, and we had a blast out there. Like, this car was like just in its natural habitat. It felt nice. We had our other friend Jonathan Rice come out too, and he drove both the cars as well. He put up a bunch of like video and stuff of driving the cars.
The entire thing.
Yeah, he was able to link the whole track with this. It was pretty sweet.
So what just happened?
We gotta flip the control arms over. We bolted them up the wrong way.
It's all Wayne's fault. Wayne
Yeah,
did it.
good luck. I don't know where.
All right, so they were not backwards. They're super bent.
Yeah. Nice bent control arm.
Unless I'm just cockeyed.
It's bent.
Well, we're all cockeyed apparently. Look at that, golly.
Nah. Yeah, it's supposed to be straight like that, dude.
What's the other side look like?
The other side's straight.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, here, go.
You got a bent arm, dude.
That's my dog.
Bent as shit.
Super bent. Add more angle,
Yeah.
maybe? I don't know.